In this video, we showed how to replace the DC-SCM module on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud and risers 1, 3, and 2 removed from the system, to remove the DC-SCM and attic board, lift up on the blue latch and then push back on the module and slide it out of the rear of the system. To remove an attic board from a DC-SCM board, first loosen the 2 captive screws to secure it to the board. Then lift up on the board and free it from the pins. To install an attic board, first align it with the pins and press down on the circle and then tighten the 2 captive screws. To install the DC-SCM and attic board, align it with the rear of the system and slide it all the way until fully seated, and then press down on the blue latch. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.